Welcome aboard the Southern service to Seaford. The next station is Southease. Welcome aboard the Southern service to Seaford. The next station is Newhaven Town. We are now approaching Newhaven Town. Welcome aboard the Southern service to Seaford. The next station is Newhaven Harbour. We are now approaching Newhaven Harbour. Please mind the gap between the platform and the train. Welcome aboard the Southern service to Seaford. The next station is Bishopstone. Welcome aboard the Southern service to Seaford. The next station is Seaford. We are now approaching Wivelsfield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Welcome aboard the Southern service to Wall and Eastbourne. The next station is Clompton. Would customers please note that you can only alight from the front 7 coaches as this station has a short platform. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train. The next station is Caledonia Road and Barnsbury. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Platform 2 for the 12:05 London Overground service to Chingford. Calling at Hackney Downs, Clapton, St James Street, Walthamstow Central, Wood Street, Hyams Park and Chingford. This train has 4 coaches. Platform 2 for the 12:05 London Overground service to Chingford. The train now approaching Platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of Platform 1. Platform 2 for the 13:33 London Overground service to Enfield Town. Calling at Cambridge Heath, London Fields, Hackney Downs, Rectory Road.
We are now approaching Stoke Newington.
Stamford Hill, Seven Sisters, Bruce Grove, White Hart Lane, Silver Street, Edmonton Green, Bush Hill Park and Enfield Town. This train has 4 coaches. Platform 2 for the 13:33 London Overground service to Enfield Town. The train now approaching Platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of Platform 1. Platform 2 for the 14:41 London Overground service to Cheshunt. Calling at Southbury, Turkey Street, Theobald's Grove and Cheshunt. This train has 4 coaches. Platform 2 for the 14:41 London Overground service to Cheshunt.
Please stand back. The train now approaching Platform 2 does not stop here.
Five of some sort.
Platform 2 for the 1509 service to Hertford East. Calling at Broxbourne, St Margaret's, Ware, Rye House and Hertford East. This train has 8 coaches. Platform 2 for the 1509 service to Hertford East. Platform 1 for the 1539 service to Stratford. Calling at Rye House, Ware, St Margaret's, Broxbourne, Waltham Cross, Enfield Lock, Brimsdown, Ponders End, Tottenham Hale and Stratford. This train has 8 coaches. Platform 1 for the 1539 service to Stratford.
Welcome to this service for Meridian Water. We will be calling at Lee Bridge, Tottenham Hale, Northumberland Park and Meridian Water.
Whitechapel. This is the train to Shenfield via Stratford. Next station, Stratford.
Next station, Maryland.
Yeah, not the biscuits.
There are short platforms at the next station. The doors in the rear carriages will not open. Please move towards the front of the train. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Forest Gate. Change for London Overground lines.
From
Exit for Wanstead Park London Overground station.
that's it. Why do I think Wood Grange Park?
There are short platforms at the next station. The doors in the rear carriages will not open. Please move towards the front of the train. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Manor Park. There are short platforms at the next station. The doors in the rear carriages will not open. Please move towards the front of the train. This is the train to Shenfield.
Blimey.
Next station, Ilford. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Seven Kings.
How many?
There are short platforms at the next station. The doors in the rear carriages will not open. Please move towards the front of the train. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Goodhays. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Chadwell Heath. This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Romford. Change for London Overground lines and National Rail services. This is the train to Shenfield.
God.
Next station, Gidea Park.
I feel giddy.
This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Harold Wood.
Harold Wood.
This is the train to Shenfield. Next station, Brentwood.
I'm never going to see it.
Shenfield, where this train terminates. Welcome to this service for Meridian Water. We will be calling at Lee Bridge, Tottenham Hale, Northumberland Park and Meridian Water.
Hi, Alan. Oh.
Welcome aboard C2C rail service to Fenchurch Street.
Change the DLR services to Tower Gateway and back. Pardon me. DLR is winning.
The next station is Fenchurch Street.
This is a district line train to Richmond.
Welcome aboard C2C rail service to Chilbury Next, going out West London, later, Welcome aboard C2C rail service to Fenchurch Street, calling at Stamford Le Hope, East Tilbury, Freetown, Grays, Chafford Hundred, Ockenden, Upminster, Barking, West Ham, Limehouse.
And Fenchurch Street.
C2C rail service to Fenchurch Street, calling at Purfleet, Raynham, Dagenham Dock, Barking, West Ham, Limehouse, and Fenchurch Street. If you see something that doesn't look right,
Platform 3B for the 12:31 Great Western Railway service to Paynton, calling at Exeter St Thomas, Marsh Barton, Starcross, Dulwich Warren, Dulwich, Tinman, Newton Abbot, Torquay and Paynton. Platform 3B for the 12:31 Great Western Railway service to Paynton. Platform 4 for the 09:04 cross-country service to Edinburgh via Birmingham New Street, calling at Cheltenham Spa, Birmingham New Street, Tamworth, Derby, Chesterfield, Sheffield, Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, York, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Alnmouth, Berwick upon Tweed, Dunbar and Edinburgh. This train has 5 coaches. First class is at the rear of the train. Platform 4 for the 09:04 cross-country service to Edinburgh via Birmingham New Street.
This is Shirehampton.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closed.
This is the Great Western Railway service to Edinburgh. The next station is Portway Park and Ride.
There you go. Bye, Simon.
This is Portway Park and Ride.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service
I'll
to
go and
Severn Beach.
I filmed the
The
train
next
leaving the
station
station and we're going to
is
sit down.
Avonmouth.
Yeah, that's fine. Bye, Simon. I actually went to.
The next station is St Andrews Road.
You get off.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Severn Beach.
I don't know if they got the smart card.
E-scooters are banned. This is a Great Western Railway service to Severn Beach. The next station is Severn Beach, where this train terminates. On behalf of the on-train crew, thank you for travelling with Great Western Railway. We wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey. Is a Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads. The next station is Sea Mills. This is Sea Mills.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads. The next station is Clifton Dam.
Because obviously it's the same message.
This is Clifton
I've
Dam.
only got 3 more stops.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to
6-5.
Bristol Temple Meads.
Well, you've got
The
Stevenson
next
Road,
station
so
Then that's 3,
is
and then you've got
Redland.
Lawrence Hill, then.
yeah, must be 5 then.
This is Redland.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads. The next station is Montpellier.
Yeah.
Hang on a minute, mate.
This is Montpellier.
Do
Sorry.
not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads. The next station is Stapleton Road. The next station is Camden Dursley. This is a Great Western Railway service to Weymouth. The next station is Yate. This is a Great Western Railway service to Weymouth. This is Bedminster.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. The next station is Parsons Street. This is Parsons Street.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. The next station is Nailsea and Backworth. This is Nailsea and Backworth.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. The next station is Yatton. This is Yatton.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. This is Worley.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. The next station is Western. This is Western Milford.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. The next station is Weston-super-Mare. The next station is Weston-super-Mare. terminates. On behalf of the on-train crew, thank you for travelling with Great Western Railway. We wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey. Change here for buses to Bristol Airport, Dean, Stansted and Birmingham-Sea, which leave from the front of the station. Buses to other destinations leave from the interchange.
Has been announced to be Basingstoke area. Bristol Fast, Camden, Western, Mare and more. Get better on station now. Tickets and payments. Well, Mr. Ross, how is your contact? WR.com.
Is Hybrid and Birmingham. This is a Great Western Railway service to Taunton. This is Bridgewater.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Taunton. The next station is Taunton.
Welcome aboard this Chiltern Railway service to Stratford-upon-Avon, calling at Warwick, Hatton, Claverdon, Bearley, Wilmcote, Stratford-upon-Avon Parkway, and Stratford-upon-Avon. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Next train at platform 1 is the 1559 service to London Marylebone. Calling at Warwick Parkway, Warwick, Leamington Spa, Banbury, Vista North, High Wycombe and London Marylebone. This train is formed of 8 carriages. The next train at platform 1 is the 1559 service to London Marylebone.
Welcome aboard this London North Western Railway service to Watford Junction. We will be calling at Park Street, Howell Wood, Rickett Wood, Garston, Watford North and Watford Junction. The next stop will be Park Street.
I just needed the announcement.
Welcome aboard this London North Western Railway service to London Euston.
And we're off.
We will be calling at Lechley, Leighton Buzzard, Cheddington, Tring, Berkhamsted, Hemel Hempstead, Apsley, Kings Langley, Watford Junction, Bushey, Harrow and Wealdstone, and London Euston. Welcome aboard this London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. We will be calling at Leighton Buzzard, Lechley, Milton Keynes Central, Wolverton, Northampton, Long Buckby, Rugby, Coventry, Canley, Tile Hill, Berkswell, Hampton in Arden, Birmingham International, and Birmingham New Street. This train is the southern service to Epsom Downs, calling at Belmont, Bernsted, and Epsom Downs. The next station is Belmont. Southern service to Epsom Downs. The next station is Belmont. We are now approaching Reedham. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Freedom. Perfect.
This is Reedham. This train is the Southern service to Tattenham Corner, calling at Coulsdon Town, Woodminster, Chipstead, Kingswood, Tadworth, at Tattenham Corner. The next station is Coulsdon Town. Service to London Bridge, calling at Whiteleaf South, Whiteleaf, Kenley, Purley, Purley Oaks, South Croydon, East Croydon, Norwood Junction, and London Bridge. The next station is Whiteleaf Southern service to London Bridge. The next station is Whiteleaf South.
Wow,
Please keep your bags and personal belongings with you at all.
Holiday
Service to Margate via 22 West. Call at Stratford International, Epsfleet International, Ashford International, 22 West, Spanish Parkway, Ramsgate, Broadstairs and Margate. This train has 6 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. Platform 12 for
the 1237 Southeastern High Speed service to Margate via Canterbury West.
Valid on this train.
What happens stops though, Eurostar? Like I said, welcome home, holiday makers. Ah.
The next stop is Treforest Estate. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. I'm ready to London.
Welcome aboard this West Midlands Railway service to Nuneaton. We will be calling at Kenilworth, Coventry, Coventry Arena, Bedworth, Bermuda Park, and Nuneaton.
Welcome aboard. We will be calling at the following principal stations: Cardiff Queen Street, Cathays, Llandaff, Rhadder, Taftswell, Treforest, Pontypridd, Trehavard, Porth, Dinas, Tonapandi, Llwynapia, Ystrad Rhondda, Tonpentra, Treorchy and Treherbert. Thank you. We are now at Cardiff Queen Street. The next stop is Cathays. Thank you.
Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs.
Bye.
We are now approaching Lee Hall. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs. We are now approaching Marston Green. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs.
So you're going to go up to Scotland and...
We will in June.
We are now approaching
Me.
Adderley Park.
Adderley Park?
Please
Me
mind
and-
the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before
There's a
removing
gap.
heavy luggage and pushchairs.
All the best, man.
Emily. 700-026. Almond City.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This station is London St Pancras International. This train terminates
There's the 7.
St Albans City.
Wow.
We will be calling at Kentish Town, West Hampstead Thameslink, Cricklewood, Red Cross West, Kendal, London Broadway, Elstree Boreham Wood, Rattlett, and St Albans City.
Right. Right. St Albans City. Seven hundred 116 takes me to Bedford. St Albans City.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This station is St Albans City. This train terminates at Bedford. We will be calling at London, Luton Airport Parkway, Luton, Leagrave, Harlington, Flitwick and Bedford. Welcome aboard Manchester service to Orpington, calling at Brixton, Ham Hill, West Dulwich, Sydenham Hill, Penge East, Kent House, Beckenham Junction, Shortlands, Bromley South, Bickley, Pets Wood, and Orpington. Welcome aboard London Bridge, Green, Grove
Welcome aboard this service to London Blackfriars. We will be calling at Batton Ball, Otford, Shoreham, Ainsford, Swanley, St Mary Cray, Bickley, Bromley South, Shortlands, Ravensbourne, Beckenham Hill, Bellingham, Catford, Crofton Park, Nunhead, Peckham Rye, Denmark Hill, Elephant and Castle, and London Blackfriars.
Welcome aboard this Great Western Railway service to Worcester Scrub Hill.
Scrub Hill.
We'll be calling at Hamborough, Charlbury, Kingham, Morton in Marsh, Honeybourne, Evesham, Kershaw, Worcestershire Parkway, and Worcester Shrub Hill. The next station is Hamborough.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is the Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads. The next station is Ashchurch for Tewkesbury.
Railhead cleaning train, treatment train, anyway.
Next station is Ashchurch for Tewkesbury. This is a Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads.
I love the goddamn waiting room, that's rather cool. And what's very entertaining and funny, many abandoned platforms at Worcester Shrub Hill, or as I would call it, Worcester Scrub Hill. That's amazing.
West Midlands Railway service to Hereford. The next stop will be Malvern Link. West Midlands Railway service to Hereford. The next stop will be Great Malvern. West Midlands Railway service to Hereford. The next stop will be Cornwall. West Midlands Railway service to Hereford. The next stop will be Ledbury. We are now approaching Hereford, our final station. Thank you for travelling with us today. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs. If you see something that doesn't look right, 1016, we'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
To arrive at platform 2 will be the 1423 Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Central, calling at Abergavenny, Cwmbran, Newport and Cardiff Central. Platform 2 for the 1423 Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Central. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Platform 4 for the 1345 Great Western Railway service to Worcester Foregate Street, calling at Hanborough, Charlbury, Shipton, Kingham, Morton in Marsh, Honeybourne, Evesham, Pershaw, Worcestershire Parkway, Worcester Shrub Hill and Worcester Foregate Street. This train has 5 coaches.
Platform 1 for the 1723 Great Western Railway service to Morton in Marsh, calling at Hanborough, Coombe, Finstock, Charlbury, Ascot under Wychwood, Shipton, Kingham and Morton in Marsh. This train has 2 coaches.
We are now approaching Pontypool and New Inn.
Now, see you mate.
approaching Stansted Airport, where this train terminates. Stansted Mount Fitchett. This is the service to London Liverpool Street. Next station, Bishop Stortford.
The next train at platform 8 is the 1320 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. Calling at Shelford, Whittlesford Parkway, Great Chesterford, Audley End, Newport, Elsenham, Stansted Mount Fitchett, Bishop Stortford, Sawbridgeworth, Harlow Mill, Harlow Town, Roydon, Broxbourne, Cheshunt, Tottenham Hale, and London Liverpool Street. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
The next train at platform 4 is the 10:39 Greater Anglia service to Southend Victoria. Calling at Billericay, Wickford, Rayleigh, Hotley, Rochford, Southend Airport, Prittlewell, and Southend Victoria. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Platform 3 is the 10:41 Greater Anglia service to Clacton-on-Sea. Calling at Ingate Stowe, Chelmsford, Witham, Colchester, Wivenhoe, Thorpe-le-Soken, and Clacton-on-Sea. This train is formed of 8 coaches.